Hello everyone, and welcome. It has been a great year here at Nordic Anglers, and I just want to express my deepest and sincere gratefulness for the past year. To all of you out there who have been, ordering at the shop, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. It means a lot to us. The reason why we are able to do these tutorials, to do these videos, to do all this fun and crazy stuff is because of you. Without you and without you buying stuff at our web shop, this would not be possible. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for making it possible for us to make content like this. As I said, it's been a fun year. There's been quite a lot of different stuff and different highlights, and a lot of sea trouts, a lot of salmon, a lot of stuff. A lot of fly tying, and that is exactly how it should be. So I'm really excited about the new year to come. I'm looking so much forward to that, and we will of course continue to supply all the best fly tying and fly fishing equipment, but also to produce these videos. So I wish you out there a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And if I could, I would hug you, because that's how much you mean to me. I can't, but I'm gonna do my best to try. So here is a hug from Nordic Anglers to you.
Yeah!